funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey everyone, I'm so excited because my September Planner Society kit just came in, and I have been seeing the sneak peeks on Instagram that Christy has been releasing, and it looks super cute. So today I'm going to first unbox this kit, show you what the contents are, and then I will show you how I'm using this kit in my Happy Planner.
The sun is getting warmer when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just...
This looks like it's a sticker book, but you could probably also put things like post-it notes in there or die cuts.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sourness will bite your tongue, no one is forever.
Look at this little fox, it is so adorable, and it matches this planner clip that came with the kit. Looks like it's a patch attached to a gold paper clip. I cannot wait to use this. These are fox sticky notes. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this pen is. And there's little blue sparkly sequins up at the top. Her pens are always the cutest. They're my favorite. There are 3 rolls of washi this month. 2 of them have these gold bows on them. And then there's this blue floral washi. And these are clear bow bookmarks. I don't think these have anything like this has ever been included in one of the kits, so it's going to be really interesting to see how people use them.
It's your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water. Sleeping through the edges.
And then there's this really cute fox patch, which I think I'm going to probably turn into a planner clip.
Under my control. You know,
Each of these stickers has gold foil on it. They're so cute. I love the little bows and the little foxes. So now I'm going to use the contents of this kit in my Happy Planner. At this point, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, but I hope you guys really like it. I'm going to start out by picking out my favorite parts of the kit and things that color coordinate.
let me stay there.
So instead of cutting each individual full box out, I decided to cut a strip of scrapbook paper to cover up the top box. I cut this gold tab in half and used the words to do to label my to-do boxes, and then used the bottom portion to divide up the weekend section. I also cut off the ends of the tabs that came with the kit, and that's because my friend and I carpool to work, so it's important to me to keep track of who will be driving on what day, and these tabs work perfectly for that. Originally, I was planning to throw the tab ends away, but as I was cutting them off, I noticed that they had this interesting shape to them, so I used them to create a border at the bottom of the page. And the gold half circle that I used actually came out of the D of my to-do letters. I took another one of the gold tabs and cut it into an arrow shape and some triangles, and then I placed a sticker that said work onto one of the tabs and used that to indicate that I will be at work for that part of the day. I am so excited because I am going to be at PlannerCon San Diego on the 12th and the 13th, so of course I had to make sure that there are plenty of planners on this spread this week. This stencil came with a previous Planner Society kit. I use it all the time to draw in boxes for my to-do list. I hope this video gave you some new ideas for using your Planner Society kit or any other planner accessories that you may own in your planner. Let me know in the comments if any of you will be at PlannerCon San Diego, because I would love to meet you and I'm so excited. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram at PersonalizeMyPlanner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like